In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell a digital product subscription on Wix. Whether you're new to Wix or just looking to expand your offerings, this guide will help you set up everything you need to start selling subscriptions to your digital products with ease. First off, head over to Wix.com and log in with your account credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the site where you want to offer subscriptions and click on Edit Site. Before proceeding, ensure that you have both Wix stores and Wix paid plans installed. These apps are crucial for managing subscriptions efficiently. Next, direct your attention to the Pages and Menu section. Within this area, you'll want to click on Pricing Plans Pages. This step will bring you to the area where you can begin setting up your subscription offerings. From there, click on Plans and Pricing and then select Manage Plans. This is where the magic happens, crafting the subscription plan that'll appeal to your audience. Once you're in the Plan Management section, click on Create Plan. Here, you'll enter the plan name. For example, let's say Monthly Ebook Subscription. Alongside the name, be sure to add a detailed description of what the subscription involves. This might include the type of digital product offered, the number of items per period, and any specific access details or usage rights. Clear descriptions will help potential subscribers understand exactly what they're getting. After setting your plan name and description, it's time to determine the subscription price and billing frequency. Choose wisely between options like monthly, quarterly, or yearly billing depending on what best fits your business model and customer expectations. Next, focus on digital product management. Upload your offerings, which could be PDFs, videos, templates, or any digital content, to your Wix store or cloud storage. Configuring automatic delivery is key here, as it ensures that your subscribers receive their products on schedule. Also, organizing your products for seamless recurring access is vital for a positive user experience. Once all the details are in place, don't forget to click Save. Now let's set up the payment methods. Head over to the dashboard, then to settings, and finally to accept payments. Enable the necessary payment gateways such as PayPal, Stripe, or credit debit cards. Testing the subscription flow at this stage is crucial to ensure everything is functioning flawlessly. Now it's time to create the actual subscribing functionality within your site. Open the page where you want to offer the subscription and use the Wix editor to add a subscribe button or section. Make sure this button links directly to the paid plan you've set up, enabling users to sign up easily. Customize this button's text, color, and layout to match your overall site design for a cohesive look. Lastly, once you've completed all these steps, click Done. Then publish your changes and test everything one last time to make sure subscribers can access your content smoothly. And there you have it, a comprehensive setup for selling digital product subscriptions on Wix. Happy selling!